Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about the complex numbers. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have delta equals to b squared minus 4ac. So b that is about this one. A that is about I. C that is about number 1. Now we need to expand this one. We know that I square that is about negative number 1. I that is about the square root of negative number 1. So I square we change by negative number 1. One minus 1 we cancel. 4 with number 2 we have 8i minus 4i, and this one we have 4i. Now we have the formula in here. So b that is about 2 with 1 plus 8. Delta we have the square root of 4/8, and 8 that is about I. Now we do the similar. Now we know that the square root of number 4 that is about number 2, so we simplify again. So we have number 2, and number 2 in here. We divide by 2, so we will have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.